Alright, and when you're all done with your project, you've added all your titles, your fade, your audio, your pictures. When you're all said and done, you're ready to export. So how you export out of Adobe Premiere is either have the timeline you're wanting to export selected, or on the left side find it in your project pane. So let's see, I called this, what did I call this here? I called it, oh, it's still named what my first video clip was. So I'm going to go ahead and change that. I'll say workshop video. As you can see, it changed the timeline sequence too. So I have that selected. Go up to File, go down to Export, and then select on Media. And this window will pop up. The format you should probably choose, I would choose H.264. It seems to be one of the more universal file types right now. It works well with both Mac and PC, and great for uploading to the web as well. So you want to select H.264. Come down here. Some things that I select, again, you don't have to do this. I go ahead and do this. Select on Render at Maximum Depth, and then at the very bottom here, use Maximum Render Quality. Select that. At the very top where it says Output Name, just to make sure you know where this video is going, click on the title of your project there, and you can see it's going to my desktop and my video project folder. That's what I want. This is the name of it, so I click on Save. And now at the very bottom I can go ahead and click on Export, which is what I'm doing now, and the video is exporting. So depending on how long your video is, that's going to determine the length of this export. So just bear with me here, and I'll show you the final video. Alright, so the exporting is finished. I can now close out of Adobe Premiere. It's going to ask if I want to save the video project. Yes. And I go to my project folder. Everything is in here. I have my final video, workshop video. Double click to open that. I'm just going to use this program to view it. And here's my video. Well, I hear my voice. So there's the final video. 43 megabytes, it's not too bad. This I can upload to YouTube. I can share this file, I can save it on a flash drive or whatever you need to do. But that's Adobe Premiere. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact me. My phone number is down here, as well as my email address. If you're on Ball State's campus, feel free to swing by Bracken Library. Come down to the basement, and you can work on the computers down here, and we will help you out if you get stuck. But again, my name is Nate, and thanks for watching.